In this episode, we'll learn how to install Visual Studio Code in your Windows computer. In the beginning of this tutorial series, I told you could either use Android Studio or VS Code to develop Flutter apps. In the previous video, we saw how to install, create, and run Flutter apps. In this one, we'll do the same thing using VS Code. To get started, just open your favorite browser and then we'll search for Visual Studio Code. Click on it and then click on this first option right here, Visual Studio Code. We are using VS Code editor because it's very lightweight, so just click on this download for Windows and this will launch and automatically download. Once the download is completed, click in this right here and then open the folder where you find your download. After that, you just have to run the installer. Check this box for accepting the agreement and then click next. Next again, click yes, next, and you can check this option if you want to add an icon on a desktop. Click next again and click on install. Check this option right here to launch VS Code and click on finished. So now that your VS Code is installed, the next step is to install the plugins. We mainly need to install two plugins, the Flutter plugin and the Dart plugin. Come right here in this extension tab, click on it and just search for Flutter. Click on it and click on install. These are the same plugins that we installed in the previous video on Android Studio. You know that by default, once you install this plugin, we also install the Dart plugin. This is because we develop our app using the Dart programming language. After these two plugins, you can search for Material, Icon Theme, this one right here. Click on it and click on install. Once we install this plugin, this will add icons to our file according to their extension type and also to the folders inside of your Flutter project. Click on this option right here to select the icon, and after this extension, search for Prettier. This is a plugin for coding formatter and also adds a color to our code so it becomes more readable. Click on install. So now that we have installed all the plugins, you can use the combination keys Ctrl+Shift+P to run a new command. Because in the beginning of this tutorial series we installed Flutter and we save the environment key, we can run Flutter commands inside of your VS Code. So if you don't see this option right here, Flutter new project, you can start typing Flutter and you will see it. Click on it and then you have to select a template for your application. Let's select this application template, and after that you have to provide a location for your project. For me, I'm using my current user and then I'm going inside of my desktop and create a new folder. You can name this folder Flutter _projects. Click enter and then create a new folder for our first application. You can name it first _Flutter _app. Enter, select this folder, and now you have to name your Flutter project. By convention, you have to name your project using lowercase letters, and if you need to add some space between each word, you can use underscore. So let's call this Flutter first _app. Enter, and now VS Code will create all the necessary files and folders for our project to run. As you can see, the folders are being created. So this is the same thing that we had in the Android video. Right here is our main method that will run our application. So now to run this application, you come right here in the bottom right corner of your VS Code, click in No Device, and then we have a list of the target device that we can use. You can notice that we also have the Android emulator that we created in the previous video, but I'm not going to use this that we created right here. I'm using the Chrome so I can show you that you can use the Flutter framework to develop web apps. So once you click on it, come right here and you select the option Start Debugging or Run Without Debugging. Click on this option, and this will take some time because we are running the project for the first time, so be patient. So this is the same template application as the Android Studio. If you click on this button, you will see that this counter will increment. So in this video we saw how to download and install VS Code, how to install the necessary plugins to develop Flutter apps. In the next video I will teach you how to install Flutter using your Mac computer. So this is it. See you on the next one.